Hi everyone in Miss Coulon's class. This is Miss Tellis. I want to show you real quick. I hear a lot of you are having trouble turning in some assignments. And guess what, guys? There's no problem. We're all learning how to use this. So I want to show you, and hopefully this video will help you. So if you notice in stream, we're able to see everything that Miss Coulon is posting as announcements, etc. But in classwork is where we actually have our assignments that we need to turn in. So let's press on classwork. If you notice, you can see all your work. The easiest way for me is to look for the pictures. I love to look at the pictures because I know that the pictures is telling me the assignments that I need to do. So if you notice, the ones that say no due date, the most likely is going to be an assignment that I need to do. So I'm going to go to this one and see if, okay, not this one. Let me go to another one because that one's already closed. Let's go to social, lesson 13, ELA. If we press on that and we click on this PDF, this file, I should call it, if I click on it, I cannot type on it. You notice that? Well, we got to click on Open with Kami because Kami is going to allow us to write on it. Okay, you see? Now I have this toolbar and I can actually do a text box. You see? Where I can actually write some things and all that good stuff. Once I am done with my work, I'm going to press this little button that says Turn In. Okay, that's going to give it to my teacher, so she can give me feedback and all that good stuff. So let me go back because not all of the assignments look like that. The social studies PowerPoint, I believe, let me try it real quick. I believe you can open it also with Kami, and I think your teacher wants you to turn it in so that she can see you. You see this file, you just click convert, guys. And let's see if it works. Just give it 1 minute. Computer is thinking. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you another one, okay? While it's downloading, we'll see what happens with that one. Let's go to lesson 14. Same thing. This is a document, so it's going to be a little bit different. You see? You can type your answer. If I was you, I would change the color so my teacher knows that my answer is this one. So you can type your answer on there. Let's say that. And then you just turn it in right here. And that will give it the assignment to your teacher. Let me try another one. I hope this is helping you guys. You see? Okay, so we're back in the PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint, you really don't have to, I don't think you have anything to do here. Let's see. Nope. This PowerPoint, it's not an assignment. It's only for you to see and for you to be able to read it. Okay? So let's go to another one. So we did the PowerPoint. We did this one. And then we did this one, the Word document. And let's do the one that you guys had today. Again, it's a Google document. So you just open it and you type it. But I did wanted to show you guys how to use Kami. But anyway, comment below if this helped you. Thank you, guys.